Quantity surveyors play a pivotal role in the construction industry, managing costs, contracts, and the financial aspects of construction projects. Their expertise is essential for ensuring that projects are completed within budget, on time, and to the required quality standards. However, the job of a quantity surveyor comes with numerous challenges that can significantly impact project outcomes. Here we outline some of the most common problems encountered by quantity surveyors in the UK construction industry. Budget overruns. Budget overruns are frequent, often arising from unforeseen expenses, changes in project scope, or inaccurate initial estimates. These overruns can severely affect a project's profitability. Effective cost control requires meticulous monitoring throughout the project lifecycle, which can be particularly challenging in large or complex projects. QSs must balance maintaining control over expenditures, all the while ensuring quality and compliance. This balancing act demands expertise, detailed cost analysis, and constant vigilance to prevent costs from spiralling out of control. Project delays. Another obvious one, but delays in construction programs pose significant problems for quantity surveyors. Managing and adhering to project timelines is crucial for successful project completion, yet disruptions are common. Factors like adverse weather conditions, labour shortages, or material delivery delays can lead to increased costs and penalties, placing additional pressure on the project QS. Supply chain disruptions, such as material shortages, can further exacerbate delays and inflate costs. QSs must engage in careful project planning and timeline management to mitigate these risks, which involves adjusting schedules and negotiating with suppliers and contractors. Before we explore a further 3 challenges QSs face, let us introduce to you our online learning platform that offers a library of courses and lectures designed to help you excel as a quantity surveyor and overcome some of these common challenges. Each lecture includes a video, key points card, and a quiz. Upon completing a course, you receive a personalised certificate detailing the course duration, which can be used for formal CPD. Simply visit metroun.co.uk or follow the link in the description. Contract management. Contractual disputes are another significant and common challenge. Construction projects are often governed by complex contracts that outline the responsibilities and expectations of all parties involved. Disagreements over contract terms, scope variations, and payment issues can lead to legal complications and project delays. Ensuring compliance with all contractual, legal, and regulatory requirements is essential for avoiding disputes, but can be complex and time-consuming. Effective contract management requires a deep understanding of legal principles, an ability to anticipate disputes, and the skill to resolve conflicts amicably. QSs must also ensure that all contractual documents are meticulously maintained and updated. Risk management. Risk identification and mitigation are critical yet demanding aspects of a quantity surveyor's role. The dynamic nature of construction projects requires continuous assessment of potential risks and the development of mitigation strategies. Risks can range from financial uncertainties to safety hazards. Managing insurance and liability issues, especially in the event of accidents or unforeseen events, requires careful attention to detail and proactive planning. Proactive risk management involves regular reviews, thorough documentation, and contingency planning to address potential issues before they escalate. Communication and coordination. Effective communication and coordination with stakeholders, including clients, contractors, suppliers, and regulatory bodies, are crucial for project success. Ensuring accurate and timely information flow can be challenging, particularly in large projects with many moving parts. Stakeholder management involves clear communication, managing expectations, resolving conflicts, and fostering collaboration. QSs must navigate the differing priorities of stakeholders while ensuring project objectives remain aligned. This requires strong interpersonal skills and the ability to keep all parties informed and engaged throughout the project, minimising misunderstandings and ensuring smooth project progression. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.